Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will learn the next part of MS Excel. At the end of this video, you will able to understand some string functions like character, code, lower, upper function, trim, concatenate, left, right, length, and so on. The upper function is used to convert the text into the uppercase. If the cell is having the text in the lowercase, then the upper function is used to convert the lowercase letters into higher case letters. Syntax is equal to upper in bracket cell address in which the content is a text, or directly you can write the text. Example. Now let us see one example so that you can understand the use of uppercase function. Here the cell B5 is having a Belagavi as a text. Let me convert this Belagavi into the uppercase. So to convert, the function will be is equal to upper in bracket. So specify the cell address and then enter. So this Belagavi is converted into the higher case letter Belagavi. The next function, that is a lower function, which is reverse to the upper function. It converts the uppercase letters or text into a lowercase letter. So syntax is lower in bracket text, or you can specify cell address. So let us see how to convert this Belagavi, which is in uppercase, into lowercase. So to convert, the function will be is equal to lower in bracket, specify the cell address. So now the Belagavi, which is in higher case letter in B7 cell, and converted into Belagavi in smaller case letter. The concatenate is a process of linking or joining two or more cells content. So here the syntax will be is equal to concatenate text of one cell, comma text of second, comma text of third cell, so on. So here this will be join the different cells content and form a single text in another cell. For example, here we have two text. One is a new in one cell and another text in another cell. For example, here it is a new, another is a Delhi. So these are in different cells. So we can form a New Delhi as a single word by joining them. So to join these two, so we can write is equal to concatenate and then specify the cell. It is a first content of a cell and this is a second content of the cell, and bracket complete. So you will get a New Delhi as a single word, which are as in separate words. In one is in B2 cell, another is in C2 cell. So this concatenate is thus we can use to join two or more cells. The left function is used to extract the leftmost number of text. So that is, for example, ink bottle is a word or a text which is in basics. Let us take only ink only ink. So to take only ink from that ink bottle, then we can write is equal to left. So in bracket specify the cell in which the text is present and put the comma, and then specify how many text you want from left side. Left side means I is started from left, whereas E is started from right. So I and K is a left, E L T T is a right side. So if I want only the ink, then we have to specify, I have to specify here the 3 letters. So from left side, so I need only 3. So therefore I specified L3 and put the bracket and enter. So you will get only ink. It is because of I specified 3 and the function is left. From left side it will take only 3 letters. Similarly, if you want 2 letters, then instead of 3 you specify 2. So you will get in in. So this way we can use left function, and its a syntax will be a left in bracket the text and comma, you have to specify the number of text you want from this specified cell's text. The next function is a write function, which is used to take or extract the rightmost text or rightmost letters of a given text. For example, here if you want to extract a letter UTER, which are at the right side of the letter computer, so then we use a write function. Here the function or the syntax of this function is equal to write in bracket text comma number of letters you want to extract, that number you have to specify. For example, suppose if you want UTER, so UTR totally there are 4 letters, then the function will be is equal to write, so in bracket specify the cell address in which the text is present and then put the comma, then specify 4 here to get UTER. So here it is giving UTER, which are the rightmost side of this text. Suppose if you want a 5, that is PUTR, then you have to specify 5 letters. You have to specify 5 as a number. So here it is giving a PUTR. It is because we specified a number 5 and it will take from here to here 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore it is a PUTR. So this way what we can do is we can extract right letters, right side of the letters. The len function, that is a length, which is used to find the number of letters present in the text. It is used to find the number of letters present in the text, that is used to find the length of that text. For example, say that ink INK, so the length of ink will be 3. Similarly, the length of GOVT, the length of GOVT is 4. The length of Belagavi, BELAGAVI, the Belagavi spelling, the total length, the total letters in the Belagavi will be 8. So this is what the length. To find the length of a text, then this len function is used. So here its a syntax will be is equal to len in bracket. You have to specify the just simple text. So now let us see the example. So here to find the length of the word computer, then is equal to len So in bracket cell address, simply bracket complete. So this is 8 is the length of the computer. The length of this ink is find len, so in bracket cell address is a 3, it is having a 3 letters. Similarly is equal to len in bracket, it is a 7. So it is 7 because new is a 3 and del is a 6. del is 3, so totally it should give 6, but it is giving a 7 because the blank space is also considered as a letter, therefore it is giving a 7. So this is how we can find the length of a text. So mid is a middle, is a function which is used to extract any part of a text. As you know that left function is used to take left characters, right function is used to take right side of a text, but mid is used to extract any part of a text. So here it's a syntax will be is equal to mid. So here we have to specify the text, then from which part or from start number you have to give, and then next from start number how many characters you want to extract, that specification can be done here. So in this bracket we have a text, start number and number of characters. So by seeing one example you will understand the clear cut syntax of mid. So let me use the some part of a computer text. Now this is a text. From this text I will take only MP. So take MP part, then the function will be is equal to mid, and then in bracket specify the text, then comma the start number that is 0, C is 0, sorry C is 1, O is 2, M is 3, therefore the start number is 3 here. So start number is 3, and from M how many letters you want? I want 2 letters, that is M and P, therefore I specify 2. So this is how the meaning of start number and number of characters. So I will simply enter here, so you will get MP. So M is a start number, and from that number how many characters? That is 2 characters. So that is what I specified 2. Suppose if you want 4 letters, then from M you will get the 4 letters, that is M P U T. So that is M P U T. So this way what we can use is we use mid function. So either part of text you can get from the mid function. So even if you want us to change the start number, now it is in a 3, let me change 2. So now what happened, from 2 it will take 4 letters, that is the OMPU, it will give you OMPU, that is OMPU. So this way we use a mid function to extract any part of a text. The trim function is used to eliminate or remove the blank space present in the cells. So let me explain with an example. Here suppose if I take this computer as a text in this cell, it will be taking as it is with the blank space. For example, you might see here, you can see here, here the blank space. Before the computer there is a blank space. Suppose if I take this same content of this cell into this cell, then we have a same blank space. So to remove this blank space, I can use this trim function. So let me use that function. So that is equal to trim. So in brackets specify the cell address. So now, so you can observe the blank space before computer is eliminated, is removed. So it is because of trim function. The char, that is a character which is used to get the text or symbol from the numbers. So here its syntax is equal to char in bracket number. This number may be from 1 to 255. So let me convert some numbers into a text or symbols. So here is equal to, here is equal to char in bracket I will write that is a. So you can observe not a number, say the number is 65. You can see this a capital A. So it means that char is converting some numbers into letters or symbols. Similarly, to get the B here, then is equal to, so I will write here is equal to char, so in bracket, so I'll write 66, so I'll get B. So this way I can get A, B, C, D as well as different types of symbols by using a char function. But one thing, once again I am telling you that the number whatever we are writing here is in between 1 to 255. Suppose if you want to by using the numbers, if you want to an alphabets, then you can use 65 to 90, so you get A to Z as a capital letters. Suppose if you want to A to Z as a smaller letters, then you can use 97 to 122. So I will show you how to get 97 to 122. So that is, here I use 97 in the place of 65. I write 97. You will get a small letter A. So here if you want the next number, next letter B, small b, then you write 98. So similarly, if you want the next letter which is a C, a smaller case letter, then you have to write, so you have to write here 99. So this way we use these letters to get different alphabets. So similarly, if you want to see the other symbols, so you can see here, these are the other symbols we have, equivalent symbols. I mean, for example, you will get exclamatory symbol by 33. For example, here I have used in the place of A49 is nothing but a 33. That's why you get this one, this symbol. So this double quotation is because of 34 number. the hash number, the hash symbol is because of 35. So this way we have different symbols here by the numbers. This code function is used to convert a first letter of a text into a number. So this is somewhat a reverse of character function. So here its syntax is equal to code in bracket text. So let me check. Let me use this function and check. So this is an A. Let us convert this into the number. So is equal to code in bracket, specify the cell address of A. So we will get 65. Suppose if it is on a B or small b or capital B, whatever it is. So I will take it as a small and this is a capital. So to convert this B letter into a number, then is equal to code, so in bracket specify this, so this is a 65. Then to convert this small case letter C into a number, then is equal to code, then bracket, in bracket we specify the address of C, so that is a 99. So this how we can use a code function to convert the first letter of a text into a letter into a number. The exact function is used to compare two or more text and find whether are they equal or not. If they are equal, then the output will be or the result will be true. If they are not equal, then the result will be false. So let us check two cells content. So here I will write compute and here also I will write compute. So let us compare these two and check whether are they same or not. So is equal to exact in bracket first cell comma next cell. So I think it will give you a definitely true. So because COMPU and COMPU both are same. Suppose if I remove one character from this, then it will give you a false, because compute is not same as a COMP. And even if I make it capital, now both are same, but if I make it capital, this is also same spelling and this is also same spelling, but it will give you a false. So it is because though they are both are same, but it will give you a false. It is because it is in a higher case letter and this is a smaller case letter. So that also it will be compared and it will give you the result. So this way we can use exact function to compare two or more text. Repeat is a function which is used to repeat the text in another cell. So its syntax is equal to rept, that is repeat in bracket cell address, then comma number of times. So let us see one example so that you can understand the function clearly. Suppose think that this cell is having a ink as a word and the same ink you want in this cell 2 times. So then you can write is equal to repeat, so in bracket cell address comma how many times you want, 2 times, you put 2 here and enter. So you will get ink 2 times. Suppose if you want 3 times, so you make it 3. So you will get this ink word 3 times. Suppose here in between the ink, if you want a spaces, then here just you enter the blank space. So if you don't want the blank space, then you remove by backspace. Either you can use the space bar to create the blank space, or if you don't want, you can just enter the backspace to remove. In this video only this much. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you again with next part of MS Excel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.